That there are many excellent researchers in the country. I think that research as a whole in the country, we have not lived up to what we could achieve. And I think there are several reasons for this. One is that, as I said earlier, we've separated out universities from research establishments. And I think we both suffered. I think students really suffer from not having access to the latest research. And I don't think it is possible to teach effectively at advanced levels unless one is aware of the latest trends in one's field. And I think we lose that. If we only focus on teaching from old, outdated books, there's no real emphasis on updating the curriculum. There's no emphasis on updating the books. And this is where we need to bring in the modern, not just modern technology, but we need to bring in modern ideas. So people shouldn't, universities, the focus is on learning the subject matter. So you learn the subject matter, you finish the exam, and that's it. You don't even learn the material, you learn how to answer the exams. And I think that's part of this, not doing research in universities. And in our institutions, we focus so much on our little area of research that we don't know how to connect with students. After all, the part of the responsibility of being an academic is that one has to help the next generation, one has to mentor the next generation. And in these ivory tower institutions, we just don't have that. At the very least, we should have put every institution in a university campus with a steady flow between each. So that's one recommendation. Perhaps easier to achieve are some. One should fund individuals. There are clearly, you can identify people who are doing good work. Those people, one should empower them in some way. For instance, it's very difficult to go on trips. Part of the lifeblood of scientists is to exchange results, to meet one's peers in other places. And it's difficult for us to do that. We don't have the ability to go to other countries. There are all sorts of restrictions on travel, and these have to be lifted. And then the final thing is that we're not really incentivizing quality work, perhaps either in teaching or in research. We have establishments that are set up like standard government organizations where they have many more people and a much different mandate. So our mandate is to do high quality research and teaching. And we're not enabled to do that. Rather, we're in this bureaucratic structure where the criteria for advancement, the criteria for what we're doing, there's no metric. We're not being measured on how well we're achieving any goal at all. And I think that's what we need.